yazi kunento engisathanda kuyirealize ngama-fans Orlando Pirates. Njalo Orlando Pirates mizodliwa or mizothola iloss, ama-fans ahlale ezoblame abadlali angabona abadala ukuthi team idliwa. Yabo, why ngisho lokho na? Orlando Pirates athi idlala izona Stellenbosch FC. Idlalile Orlando Pirates idlala home idliwe ngo-1-0 ngegoli elikoro Titans nge-first half. Clear game leyana. I-Orlando Pirates clear game bingekho, yabo, ibi-flat. Bengasiyo le Orlando Pirates esijwayele ukuyibona, yabo, ngawuthi bingekho clear game leya. So ukudliwa kwabo, when I went to the socials, I saw most yabantu bablame abani, bablame lo mfana lo Sibisi at the back, bablame uSibisi, bablame futhi noSesane. Bathi ibona abadela Orlando Pirates idliwe yesterday. Uma umlandeli webhola, uma ulazi ibhola, yabo, uma unengqondo yoku-understand ibhola, uba understand, you know ukuthi Orlando Pirates izolidliwe ukuthi indlela si-approach ngakhona igame. Si-approach igame ngama-wing backs ahambayo. Si-approach igame ngama-wing backs ahamba, ngichaze futhi nalento izolo. Angazi indaba abantu bengayithathanga bahamba. Si-approach igame ngalabadlali laba, uMonyane benoHotho benzani, bayakhuphuka, abahlala emuva. If you saw the way we played against the Stellenbosch eMabhida, we played Umayela as left back. Umayela uyi-natural centre back. Natural centre back yenzani, iyahlala, ayimove natural centre back. So emuva mes-attacker ngosikhathi dlala ifanele, sas-attacker but emuva kwakusele abane kusama-defender ayi-3, ama-centre backs ayi-3, kuMayela, uSesane noSibisi. That is how Orlando Pirates iyakwazi ukunqoba igame versus Stellenbosch ngalula suku, yabo. So yesterday we approached the game with ama-wing backs ahambayo, and le ndlela yokudlala sesiyidlale kaningi, and iStellenbosch sesibone ukuthi in the last games we played ngale formation le ukuthi ama-wing backs ayahamba, sikaya siyishintshe. So babona ukuthi okay, mesizothola abadlali abasheshayo, aba-quick, abanjengo-Devin Titus, abanjengo-De Jong, abakwazi ukudlala ibhola in those areas la kuhamba khona abadlali. Because if you saw lela bhola lishawela uDevin Titus, uMonyane bengekho kwiposition yakhe. Njengoba engekho kwiposition yakhe uMonyane, why wena as a fan uyoblame uSibisi ukuthi uSibisi why ehlulekile ukuyovala leza sikhala saMonyane, yabo? So ngokwami it would be understandable if besinawo ama-CDMs akwazile ukwehla ayosiza ama-center backs. Ama-CDMs wethu izolo bengekho on. Wo2 uMbatha benoMakhehleni Makhawula bebeflat izolo, bengadlalisi kwalabadlali esibajwayele, because siyamazi uMakhehleni Makhawula ujwayele ukudropa ayosiza ama-center backs uma abadlali laba abama-wing backs bekhuphukile, yabo. Siyamazi uMiguel team ulomdlali lo ujwayele ukuyenza lonto. Miguel team neshwaka izolo abamfakanga, angikwazi ama-reasons why ngafakanga uMiguel team izolo, yabo, but uMiguel team ujwayele ukuyenza leyo nto le, yabo. NaMakhehleni Makhawula bajwayele ukudropa bezosiza, bebe off izolo, yabo. So wena as umlandeli uzoblame uSibisi, ngiyaxakeka man, ungawablame lama favorites lawo, yabo, because there are many favorite players izolo abangadlalanga kahle, abablame wabona. Kuzoblame abadlali abangenzanga lutho. uSibisi umsebenzi wakhe ukudefend as a center back. Mekuzodlala ibhola la angadlali khona and umdlali kumele adlale khona akekho. As umdlali, come on bafethu ibhola leli ngeke mfethu kuyoshaya ibhola lapha. Thothi mina let's say mhlawumbe uSipho China ugoalkeeper. Sipho China ngabe ngiya-understand too, Sipho China ushaya ibhola, uSipho China akekho epaleni liyangena igoli. Uzoblame uSibisi lapho uthi uSibisi indaba bengekho epaleni no defender lo bhola. uSipho China akekho epaleni, ukhahlela ibhola leyo ngena enethini. Ublame kanjani uSibisi uthi uSipho China akekho epaleni? And futhi nayo uSipho China izolo uphumile nawo uSipho China bayozama ukuyokhavela uMnyane, yabo. I saw other people blaming uSipho China uthi uphumile as a goalkeeper. Obviously uzophuma phela uyozama ukusiza mfethu, because you see ukuthi umdlali wakhe akekho, yabo. Nayo uSipho China mfethu, I don't know what happened izolo, bekumele shout mfethu kuMonyane uthi Monyane why ungabuyi mfethu, because as a wing back kumele ukwazi ukuya phambili, kumele ukwazi ukubuya, yabo. So for me ezinye zezinto lezi ezenza Orlando Pirates idliwe izolo, yabo. Abadlali bebengadlalisi kwe-team, maswanganye izolo be-off, maswanganye nje izolo bafethu be-off. Angazi noma mina yini ombonile, maningi amabhola maswanganye esimnika wona awaluze, yabo. Maningi amabhola esimnika wona awaluze. In the first 5 minutes umaswanganye bekwazi ukudlala, yabo, bekwazi ukudlala, but nje game yonke uvele wathula. Angazi noma mina yini uyibonile lonto, angazi, but ke siyodlala ne-Al Ahly kuleli sonto, yabo. Ama-fans awathenga amathikithi bafethu, thengana amathikithi, shilo coach ukuthi irace yethu angeke iqhathanise nabanye abantu yabo siyalingana Sundowns ngama points asihluke ngalutho so ngerace yethu thina so gijimela irace yethu neSundowns oyigijimela irace yayo yabo siyobonana nje ngoMeyi ukuthi ngoMeyi kuyobe sekunjani yabo so abantu abaningi abakameya kancane ukuthiwa kakhulu abadlali yabo nami izolo yabo ngiye ngalingeka mfethu because uMahobhe into angidlalele yona izolo ngiyithandanga but nje bafethu asimeya kancane ukuthi abadlali it's a loss ayikithi meyadliwa bafethu yabo siyaqhubeka igame elandelayo kuPhethwe Premiership sodlala neGolden Arrows yabo the team that crashed I think it was 7-1 if I'm not mistaken but ke sodlala neGolden Arrows igame elandelayo kuPhethwe Premiership but igame elandelayo kwi-Champions League sodlala neAl Ahly muna amathikithi hamba stadium yo support team yabo hamba nyothenga amathikithi ningaboni ngoba shaya izolo nitsho ukuthi mhlawumbe nangomgqibelo ngenza yashawa cha yabo ayikithi mengashawa mhlawumbe nje bebe prepare igame ngo Saturday because igame ngo Saturday is one of the biggest games esiwadlala this year yo so bafethu ngiyanxusa impela hamba nyothenga amathikithi niyeke ukuthuka noma udiscourage abadlali engawona ama-fans wabo. You cannot trash uSibisi, you cannot trash uSesane yabo nangu uMonyane wayini ngamtshela uMonyane ukuthi why emufile lapha na uMonyane wenziwe mhlawumbe into atshelwe ucoach yabo so yekani lento okuthiwa abadlali bafethu another game mhlambe kuzoshintsha lokho ngikhona bafethu ku-YouTube nguVane Talk Sports noma ungabhala ukuthi Vane Sports uzongithola na Facebook ngiyatholakala ipage lami selikhona na Facebook usearch lapho ukuthi Vane Sports yebo na Instagram ngiyatholakala nguVane Sports _ZA ngiyayibonga bafethu support yenu mufika ka YouTube lapho mufika usubscribe ulike ubuka ama video because most of my videos ngizowaposta khona ka YouTube yebo ngiwaposte la because most abantu bangibuthi mapha ama video Vane mapha ama video no most of my video manje sengizowaposta ka YouTube